Hi everybody, BClaud87 checking in, and I'm here with another video regarding the Robinhood challenge. I just kind of wanted to show everybody how my portfolio has been doing. I know it's been a while, but just pretty much been trying to invest and build it up, and just try to make sure that I had some really good content for you guys. So as you can see, as of today, it's Friday. I have $1,781 invested into my Robinhood portfolio, and it's actually been a very good day. I made $12 gain today, and for the week I've actually made $39 gain. So the stock market has been really good. I'm not quite sure if you guys are aware, but the U.S. and China has kind of been going back and forth with trade wars the past few weeks. But it was just announced yesterday that the U.S. and China will begin to have open communication and, try to resolve some of their past issues. So with that being said, the market has responded very well. And, that thus, just as far as the market going up. So if you're not investing, it's a really good time to, just go ahead and get into the investing now so you can, make your money grow. So again, the market has been very good today, yesterday, again, as I mentioned, throughout the entire week. So let's just kind of go down, show you guys what I got. These are a few of the stocks that I'm holding. Let's see. You can see at Hercules Capital, I own 30 shares. Total return, let's see, it looks like I've made about $10 total return. That's been doing well. AGNC, still holding on to it. You have 25 shares of this. This one in particular, I really love this stock because the company pays the shareholders a monthly dividend. So I really enjoy receiving that dividend. As you can see, I have a dividend pending. Should be coming September the 11th. Let's see how much that one's going to be. It's going to be $3.20. But like I said, it really adds up. Back in August, so last month, I received a dividend payment of $2.40. So really just ultimately the goal is I want to keep investing into AGNC. That way my dividend can continue to keep growing, and I'll basically just be receiving a payment just for holding that particular company. BX is doing well. Cara, this is actually a company that I just got put on randomly by a friend. As you can see, it has a 90% buy rating. It's definitely a good company to get into. They are in, as far as the pharmaceutical companies, it does not pay a dividend, but I am using this particular company as a growth stock. Ford is doing pretty well, starting to bounce back. For a while, Ford was doing really bad. It was down, but gradually it's been doing a little better. So regarding Ford, I am holding this. Actually, all my stocks I'm holding for the long run. So, even if it does happen to go down, I'm not necessarily tripping. If anything, when the prices dip, I use that as an opportunity to buy more shares. So as you can see, I have 15, but I'm going to continue to keep, buying more shares of Ford. That's AT&T, another good investment. Really am, trying to be in the long term with AT&T. I believe in them. As you can see, total return, I've already gained about $13, and they pay dividend, quarterly dividend. My last dividend I received was for $1.02 back in August, and that's back when I only had 2 shares. And as you can see now, I have 5 shares. So just waiting for that next dividend payment. Let's see. Besides that, I have Pfizer. It's going to be this one right here. Pfizer, another pharmaceutical company. They're actually down at the moment, so I'm actually losing $6. But Pfizer, they pay a really good dividend, and right now with the price being down, I actually think it's on a, it's a hot buy. So I'm going to continue to keep buying it. As you can see, they pay 36 cents per share, so I definitely want to get some more Pfizer. I actually need to buy some more shares. As I look at it, I didn't know that I still only had one, but I do plan to buy some more really soon. Let's see, Coca-Cola, another good brand I've actually made $3 since I originally purchased this for $51. It is now at $55. Coke also pays a really good dividend quarterly. Let's see, I guess I haven't got the dividend yet, but I am waiting for it. Let's see. Besides that, we got Cisco. Electronic Communications, I believe. They are down at the moment, but as I mentioned, I'm buying holding. I'm not trying to do day trading, or I'm not just trying to buy these stocks and then sell them immediately. These are stocks that I want to buy and hold and collect the dividend. Then here's my watch list. A couple items on the watch list. I got Starbucks, Procter & Gamble, Vanguard, Yum, Campbell Soup, Bank of America, more Vanguard. These are all the items on my watch list that I plan to buy pretty soon as well, just so I can continue to keep adding to my portfolio. So yeah, as I said, 1782 I am investing. Again, as I mentioned, as of today, I'm up $13. For the week, I'm up $40. See, for the month, I'm up $16. For the past 3 months, I'm up $4. Throughout this year, I'm up $11. So, again, as I mentioned, with China and the U.S. back, as far as working out their relationship, the economy has, definitely been turning around. So, again, if you're not investing in the stock market, you're really not going to be putting yourself on the right trajectory for financial wealth, in the future. The stock market isn't necessarily a gamble. The stock market is, you investing your money for it to grow for you. I know that there is a lot of talks about stock market crash or recession or whatnot, but if anything, never in the history of the stock market has the stock market ever went down and never recovered. If anything, if the market does go down and items start, losing their value as far as the prices start getting cut, that's a good time to buy. You buy it and you just hold them, you wait it out. And when the market begins to recover and the prices go back to the original, if not even higher, now that's just a whole bunch of gains for you. So, you definitely want to get into the stock market. There's no reason why you should not. Let's see, go through kind of dividend history. As you can see, dividends, again, as I mentioned, dividends are pretty much, these are payments from the companies when you own shares of their stock. Most companies pay quarterly. Some companies will pay monthly. But, just depending on the shares that you own, the company will pay you just for holding shares of the company. As you can see, this is what I have. And these are just payments just that I've received. And you see, it looks like, I received my first dividend payment back in June of this year. And, it's only been going up. It's been going up and up as I continue to keep building out my portfolio. So, I want you to make sure that you click the link in the video and you start your investing journey. I mean, you want to go ahead and set up for yourself, for your family, and, for your future. It's if you're not necessarily happy with your current financial state, do something about it. Honestly, you just want to be active, and by getting started and investing, as I mentioned, you're going to be putting your money in companies that you believe in, are companies just that you hope will just, take off. Like I said, they'll grow and your money, double, triple, quadruple. Or like I said, you can just receive dividend payments just for holding the shares of the company. I'm not telling you to put all your money into the stock market. I'm not telling you to even, max out your credit cards or even put all of your savings into the stock market. But what I am saying is, the extra income that you get, or even the money that you might spend on, say, shoes or TV or movies or out on dates, or, just money that you would just spend frivolously, you might as well put a little bit into the stock market so you can at least let that grow. When you're a consumer, you're spending 100% of your money. But, if you're investing, you're not necessarily spending 100% of that money. That money has a potential to grow, or, even if you need it, you can always just pull it right out. So, that's how you have to look at it. Again, invest. I want everyone to be financially free, not necessarily be a slave to your 9-to-5 job, or even just, always have to worry about living paycheck to paycheck. Do something smart with your money, do something for your family, for your friends, for all of your loved ones, and download the Robinhood app and start investing. It's free to download. It is, it's free to trade, no commissions. And when you download and set up an account with Robinhood, your first stock is going to be free. So click the link, download the app, set up a Robinhood account, and your very first stock will be free. That stock, it can be, Ford, it can be General Electric, it can be Facebook, it can be Lyft, it can be, Sirius XM, anything. It's free to sign up. And again, as I mentioned, you get one free stock when you sign up, So, I definitely think that you should click the link and get started in it. With that being said, I am out, and I want you guys to click the link and start your Robinhood investing. Peace out.